Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's time to rebadge this old Range Rover L322. You can see some of the emblems are just worn out from age. Of course, this was an aftermarket. The grill is also. So we'll be replacing that. Also, if we go around the back, I have a green and gold one in the back here, green and gold. We'll be changing that to the black to match our wheels. The logo is on the wheels. We're missing the Supercharged decal here. This tailgate actually came from an HSC, so I never did put the correct logo back on it. We'll go ahead and do that. And also, I thought there should be something on the sides. So this is kind of what I've come up with. I'll show you how to get one of these on here also. It's the best spot I found on this truck, and I think it looks pretty good. Just by using a small screwdriver, I was able to pick this off. The glue's already dried up on here. I've re-glued a few times. You can see with age how they start to fade. So fairly easy to remove the front grill emblem. These are the new emblems I have. Here's one for the rear tailgate. They're identical, other than the rear will have this piece to glue onto the tailgate, and this will glue onto that. And they're basically just peel and stick. You peel this red tape off, that'll stick to that. And this is another double stick tape, which will go on the back of this, and that will stick to the tailgate itself. I also have some Supercharged tailgate logos, emblems. Now these are a little bit different than the OEM ones on these Range Rovers. This, I believe, is from the Range Rover Sport, but I like the looks of these, and I got a couple extra ones that we're going to put on the side of the truck. With the plastic removed from the back of this emblem, it's always a good idea to take some alcohol and clean the area that this will be sticking to. And we'll just set that right in there, just like so. Just give it a push. That should stick right in place, just like so. That looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and get the tailgate done. I was able to remove the rear emblem here just by inserting this plastic scraper behind it and peeling it off. Now, as you can see, we have some glue there. This will have to be removed. We can try to scrape as much as we can with the plastic scraper, being careful that we don't scratch the paint. Now, what does help is heating this if you have a heat gun. Otherwise, we can use an eraser wheel. So let's try that. So I was able to get most of the glue and the foam off with the eraser wheel. We'll go ahead and take some alcohol and clean it off before we put the new emblem back on. This is the old emblem from the tailgate. Remember, this has a backing to it, so the pieces supplied are separate. This will glue onto the vehicle, and then basically your peel and stick logo will go right on top of it. We'll actually just go ahead and stick this onto that backing first, and then we'll stick the whole thing on the tailgate. Emblem on right over where the old one was. Also, the Supercharged. Now it's time for Supercharged die-cast emblem for the side vent. So I've done this side. Also need to repeat the same process on the driver's side here. So taking our new emblem, now you can choose wherever to put it. I'm going to put them right in the center here. But the only issue is these are straight and this surface that it's going on is curved. Fortunately, these things are die-cast aluminum, so they're easy to bend. If you just hold the center, you can actually bend these. So you can bend them and keep checking it. So just by using your hands, you're able to bend this. Not hard at all. It actually bends pretty easy. Now you can see how it conforms to the shape of this vent. And I have my sticky tape on the back. We'll go ahead and peel off the backing and we'll stick it right on here. So here I was able to install our last emblem on the vent. I think these come out looking really nice. I think these vents or these grills should have been made this way. Possibly the Supercharged or anything else engraved right into the grill would be nice. But this matches the vehicle super nice, how it should be. Vehicle definitely gives the vehicle a fresh, clean look. These emblems are offered in many different color choices. You can do red with black, silver with red, silver with black. I've gone with black and silver. Kind of matches all the other emblems on this vehicle. But again, they are available in many different colors, different lettering. I will put links to these parts in the description for you, including the eraser wheel that really helps removing the glue if you are replacing these emblems. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. I thank you for watching.